So you're saying that your friend is vegan and your friend is upset with you because you're not vegan, right? And you want to know what to do. Well, what exactly are you doing right now? You say you're not vegan, so are you kicking cats? Are you eating dogs? Are you paying people in the dairy industry to masturbate the bulls, force that sperm into females, and then kidnapping the babies when they're born? Are you doing that? Are you drinking cow's milk? Because that's what happens in the dairy industry. The baby boy cows are removed from their mothers. And so people can go underneath the cows and steal the milk. Are you doing that? Is that what your friend's upset with you about? Or is it because you eat bacon? Is that why? Maybe your friend's upset because you pay people to masturbate the males and force that sperm into the females, and then force these females to be in tight, confined quarters during their pregnancies and after their babies are born, so much so that they can't even turn around, these mama pigs. Is that what your friend's upset with you about? And the fact that you eat bacon and ham and contribute to the cycle of violence, is that what's bothering you? Or your friend, I mean, or what is it? It's hard to know what you should do if I don't know what you're already doing. Are you choosing to buy soy milk sometimes or just never? Are you choosing to buy oat milk occasionally or just never? What about when it's time to get a new pair of shoes? Are you being careful to buy the vegan option and to avoid buying the leather? Is that what you're doing? Because that would be great. But if you're purposely buying the leather, or if you're buying fur, for example, I can sort of understand why your friend's upset with you. You know? If you're buying a winter coat, are you making sure to not get one that has feathers inside? Because feathers come from, as you know, birds, ducks and geese. And they remove them, they pluck them all off and stuff them into a coat so that you can wear one. But you don't need to wear any fur or any wool. You don't need to wear any feathers. I mean, when the astronauts go up to outer space where it's really cold, they don't wear any animal products. So